Got us another one. Let's go. All right, here's the old one right here. You take it out, and then you have to fish it through these tracks and wind it up, and then slide it back in. All right, I just put the new sunshade in. There it is right there. Just put the rear glass back in. So now I'm about to put it all back together, clean it up, and it's done. This car came in for the panoramic roof sunshade. Fixed that. Then we added on front end damage. And then the customer, she wanted to just go ahead and freshen up the whole car. So now I'm going around marking spots, scratches, a little bit of hail damage on the roof, and then some previous body work right here. Blocked it one time, already high. Yeah, so we're gonna block that out. Fix all the scratches, hail damage, repaint it. All right, stay tuned. All right, got the hail damage fixed. Just primed it. Let that dry and cure. Sand it. Finish scuffing up the rest of the car. And we can blend some base into it. Then re-clear this whole thing. All right, that's it for tonight. Got the base on. Gonna clear the whole car tomorrow. So got that dent fixed and got the hail damage fixed and got the front fixed. So cool, cut you back on tomorrow. All right, I'm wet sanding and buffing this one today. It came out slick, but it got a little trash, you know, from being painted in the garage. So, but I'm only wet sanding it with 3000. I'm only wet sanding it with 3000, so that lets you know it came out slick. Hit it with the 3000 one time, it's done. So, get this done today. Get it put back together tomorrow. New pinstripe. Put the emblems back on.
Press it? You want to press it now?
Huh?
You want to press it now?
I already pressed it. Just leave it. Hold it. All right, the car is pretty much buffed out. Got a couple of spots that I got to rebuff. Pinstripe is on. I'll paint these pillars right quick. Take it to the shop tomorrow, put it back together. All right, this one is done. Had a little mix up with the grills on. Ordering them online, so it took so long, but got that situated. know what you think. See all auto design.